When you are greeting someone by name, you use a before the name, unless it begins with a vowel. You may notice that the names themselves sometimes change a little. We'll come back to this again. For now, try and pick out the names of the people being greeted here.
Hallo Katrina, kom maar naar huis af.
Hakema. Hallo Hamish, kom maar naar huis af.
Hakema, tappe lief.
Hallo Varak, hallo Anne, kom maar naar huis af.
Hakema. Hakema, kom maar naar huis af.
Hakema, tappe lief.
The four mentioned were Katriana, Seamus, Morak, and Anna. A Katriana, a Hamish, a Vorak, but just Anna. Eishtiv Riisht. Listen again.
Hallo Katrina, kom maar naar huis af.
Hakema. Hallo Hamish, kom maar naar huis af.
Hakema, tappe lief.
Hallo Varak, hallo Anne, kom maar naar huis af.
Hakema. Hakema, kom maar naar huis af.
Hakema, tappe lief.
Two greetings are linked to the time of day. Matingva, good morning, and Fiskerma, good afternoon, or good evening. Matingva. Matingva. Fiskerma. Fiskerma. Which greeting would you use at the following times of the day?
9 in the morning. Matinva. Matinva.
3 in the afternoon. Fiskerma.
5 in the morning. Matinva. Matinva.
6 in the evening. Fiskerma. Fiskerma.
On meeting each other, people also tend to comment on the weather. The following will come in handy. Hi, Bria. It is lovely. Hi, Bria. Bria. Hi, Bria. Hi, Bria.
Hi, Vloeg. It is wet. Hi, Vloeg. Vloeg. Hi, Vloeg. Hi, Vloeg.
And the last one, hi, Voer. It is cold. Hi, Voer. Voer. Hi, Voer. Hi, Voer.
How many of these speakers think that it's wet? Vloeg.
Wat
Martin va Alistair, Kimmer Hashif.
Hakama, hi Bria and you.
Ha.
Fesken ma Hamish, Kimmer Hashif.
Hakama tapelief. Hij voerend u.
Ha, hai führiges hai fluch.
Martin Vahavorak. Kimmer Hashif.
Hakama tapelief, Kimmer Hashif fein.
Hakama, hij vloegend u.
Ha. Two thought it was wet. Fluch. Listen again and watch out for undue. Today. Undue. And ha. Yes, it is. Ha. Undue. Ha. Martin va Alistair, Kimmer Hashif.
Hakama, hi Bria and you.
Ha.
Fesken ma Hamish, Kimmer Hashif.
Hakama tapelief. Hij voerend u.
Ha, hai führiges hai fluch.
Martin Vahavorak. Kimmer Hashif.
Hakama tapelief, Kimmer Hashif fein.
Hakama, hij vloegend u.
Ha.
One more point before the recap. There are two ways of saying you in Gaelic. We will be concentrating on the more formal one, which you always use with strangers, older people, those in authority, and groups of people. We'll also, however, at the end of each unit, be drawing your attention to the forms you'll want to use if you are talking to a child by himself, or a close friend.
Earlier we learnt Kimmer Ahashiv. How are you? You may also hear Kimmer Aha-oo. Kimmer Aha-oo.
And instead of ta believe, thank you, you may hear ta belat. Listen.
Martin Vahavorak. Kimmer hau.
Hakama tapelat. Hai fuaren you.
Ha.
The recap. You give the Gaelic for the following. Use the formal form.
How are you? Kimmer Ahashiv. How are you? Kimmer Ahashiv.
Fine. Ha guma. Fine. Ha guma.
How are you yourself? Kimmer Ahashiv fein. How are you yourself? Kimmer Ahashiv fein.
Good morning. Matting va. Good morning. Matting va.
It's lovely. Hi, Bria. It's lovely.
Thank you. The formal form. Ta believe. Thank you. Ta believe.